What if you could see heat? Like actually see it. Leaking from your walls, cooking your components, hiding inside your 3D printer. This little thing costs less than a decent dinner out, and it might be the most useful tool in my entire EDC kit. This is the UNI-T UTi120 Mobile, 120 by 90 resolution, 25 Hz refresh, smartphone powered. Let's find out if it's actually worth your money. Out of the box, UNI-T doesn't cheap out on the accessories. You get the sensor, a 3-foot USB-C extension cable, genuinely useful for getting into tight spots, and a micro USB adapter for older phones. Smart inclusion. It ships with a hard shell case that clicks together nicely, rated for a 6.5-foot drop. So toss it in your bag, clip it to your keychain, throw it in a drawer. It can take it. The sensor itself is roughly thumb drive sized matte black metal, and it feels way more premium than the price suggests. Not plasticky, not hollow, solid. Okay, software. This is usually where budget thermal cameras completely fall apart. Laggy apps, crashes, garbage UI. UNI-T's thermal mobile app is actually good. Plug it in, it's recognized instantly, and you're live within a second. The feature I keep coming back to is Fusion Mode. It overlays thermal data directly onto your phone's camera feed. When you're scanning a packed circuit board or trying to figure out exactly where in a wall that cold spot is, this is what makes it practical instead of just cool looking. Resolution, 120 by 90. That's 10,800 pixels, enough to clearly identify hotspots, not quite enough for fine micro soldering work. Refresh rate, 25 Hz. This matters more than people realize. Most budget imagers are capped at 9 Hz, which looks like a slideshow. 25 is actually fluid. Temperature range, -4 to 752 Fahrenheit, -20 to 400 Celsius. Color palettes, iron bow, high contrast, and several others, useful for picking out anomalies in different conditions. All right, let's actually use the thing. First up, my soldering iron. At its lower operating temperature, the tip shows up as a clean, bright yellow. Crank it up higher, and you can watch the thermal gradient travel up the shaft in real time. Accuracy compared to my contact thermometer, only a few degrees off. At this price point, that's genuinely impressive. Here's where this crosses over from hobbyist gadget to genuinely useful tool. I scanned my window frames, took maybe 30 seconds, and immediately spotted a drafty corner running about 10 degrees colder than the surrounding wall. You'd never find that with your hand, you'd never see it at all, but Pocket Thermal Camera found it on the first pass. Same thing works for checking if a breaker's running hot, seeing which pipes are active behind drywall before you drill, spotting an overheating component in a PC build. This is the kind of tool that once you have it, you wonder how you went without it. Look, I'm not going to tell you this replaces a FLIR or any $2,000 professional rig. If you're an HVAC contractor who needs to read temps from across a room with fine detail, step up. But if you're a hobbyist, a maker, a PC builder, or just someone who likes actually understanding how things work, this is your entry point, and it's a good one. The good? Price to performance is hard to argue with. Metal body, solid case, built to survive EDC life. 25 Hz makes a real-world difference, and the app is genuinely solid. The honest downsides, it's slightly bulkier than UNI-T's higher-end 256M and 120 by 90. Resolution is the ceiling here, fine for diagnostics, limiting for precision work. Bottom line, the UNI-T UTi120 does exactly what it promises, and it does it without making you fight the software to get there. If thermal imaging has been on your list, but the price always stopped you, this is the one. Links to this and the rest of the UTi lineup are in the description. If this was useful, hit like. It genuinely helps. Subscribe if you want more breakdowns like this. See you in the next one.